as we recognize your blessed work. COVID times were the hard times, but the COVID times were the one times which showed us that we all need to be together. And our government has blessedly worked, and one of the fastest, facility to start was in the Telangana Institute of Medical Sciences. I'll request Director Dr. Vimla Thomas to come forward, and as she walks towards our thing, we request everybody to give a big round of applause. To be followed, Dr. Satish from Apollo Hospital to join us. We would want a picture of all of you together also. So please come. I'll request Dr. Aftab also to join us. Dr. Vimla, the Director of Telangana Institute of Medical Sciences, can you all stand up and join as we give the honors to her. I'll request Aruna Aunty to give the shawl. Just stay here. Yeah, and to hand over the award. Can we get the award for Vimla Thomas, ma'am? Yes. I'll request Sai Baba sir to please hand over the needful to Vimla Thomas, ma'am. And I want everybody to be together while we take the picture. Brother Sajan, yes, Safdar sir to please join us.
Undergone.
I would ask ma'am to wait.
Lot of stress and treating the patient.
Next is who? I will call upon Dr. Aftab, the Medical Superintendent of Apollo Sikandrabad, who has done a very marvelous work. I'll request Vimla Thomas ma'am to just wait here only so that we take a photo together. Dr. Aftab sir, a big round of applause, a gentleman who has touched the life of a couple of thousands of people with his marvelous work. As he stands and gets the award, sometimes you feel proud to be the right and the left hand. The right hand of Aftab sir is Dr. Satish, who will join us from Apollo Medical. I would request Aftab sir to just wait, and yes, Dr. Satish sir, Raja Sahab, please put yes. Yes. Come on, guys. Doctors need inspiration. They need the perspiration of your claps, I'll request Sai Baba sir to hand it over to Satish sir. I'll call upon Dr. Satish from St. Teresa Hospital and Dr. Ankit, the Guru and the Shishya, to come together. And yes, just hang on. Just hang on. Can you give place? The Guru and the Shishya are walking together. The youngest consultant and the youngest resident, the first year resident. While treating father of Mahesh Bhagwat sir, our Commissioner of Police, who was COVID positive, Ankit himself became a COVID positive. He was isolated for 15 days. Our prayers and our efforts work together, and he is working with us in St. Teresa Hospital. A big round of applause for both the youngsters as they come forward. Yes. I'll request Aruna Aunty to give the shawl to Dr. Satish Jasti, a very beloved friend of mine. We work together in St. Teresa Hospital. And yes, Ankit to be put by Sai Baba sir. Sir, just give it to, yeah. Ankit, Bishan Ankit, yes. I'll request Raja Sahab to put a shawl for Ankit. And yes, isn't it the teachers will like, the Shishya has to get award from one of the very, finest teacher, the brother Sajan and Safdar Sahab. I would want you to hand over the award to Ankit. Ankit, beta. Yes. Come on. Other person who has to leave fast, there are 8 surgeries waiting right now, is our beloved Sai Baba Gaud sir. I request all of us to just wait as we give the final felicitation to none other than Padma Shri Sai Baba sir. Come on, guys. I would want to tell you a few words. Lockdown, everybody was asked to stay within the house, which is expected definitely for more than 55 years of age. And you know what? He opened his stocks and told, Dr. Ashish, you are going for lockdown, you're distributing food. Me, with lot of my friends like Raja Hebel, we moved out and he provided food for more than 30,000 people together. We thank you, Sai Baba sir. We request Sania Karim and Brother Sajan to put a shawl on Sai Baba sir, and the claps have to be louder, guys. Come on. Raja sir, please come on the back. Sai Baba sir, yes. Just, can I have all the awardees in the front along with Sai Baba sir? All the other awardees. I'll give it to you. Yes. With the award. Who's? We'll do it afterwards. No, he has to speak. We are not going to leave him without that. We are missing. Ankit, where have you gone? Ankit has left. Satish sir has left. There are another Satish sir. Okay. Come. Fast. Can I ask Dr. Umesh to join, Dr. Prashant to join on the stage? Safi sir on the back side, you're tall enough. Raja sir, you're tall enough, and I'm jealous for that. I'll come that side. Safdar sir, yes. Prashant, come running. The pediatric neurologist, he's very good at running. We really want all the awardees to give some awards to us, but probably time limitation is there. But Telangana Institute of Medical Sciences has done a fantastic, blessed job.